In today's video, I will walk you through how to enable Afterpay payments in Stripe. To begin, log into your Stripe account and access your dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, locate the Settings option. This is typically represented by a gear icon. Click on the gear icon to open the Settings menu. After the Settings menu appears, look for Product Settings. Within that section, find and select the Payments tab. Clicking on Payments will take you to the page where payment-related settings can be managed. Once you're on the Payment Settings page, look for the section labeled Payment Methods. This area contains the various payment methods available within your Stripe account. Scroll through the list of available payment methods until you find Afterpay or Clearpay. Depending on your region, the payment method may appear as Afterpay or it may be listed as Clearpay. Continue scrolling until you locate the correct option. When you find it, select the corresponding payment method entry to view its available settings. Next to Afterpay or Clearpay, you'll see a toggle switch with an option to turn the payment method on. Click the toggle switch to enable it. After selecting the toggle, wait a moment while Stripe updates the setting. Once the update is complete, check that the toggle remains in the enabled position. Review the payment methods page to confirm that Afterpay or Clearpay is now active. If needed, refresh the page and return to the payment methods section to verify that the setting has been applied. If the payment method still appears enabled after refreshing, the setup has been completed successfully. You can continue reviewing the payment settings page and confirm that the desired payment method remains active. At this stage, no additional configuration steps are required based on the settings shown. The primary task is locating the Afterpay or Clearpay payment method and switching it on through the available toggle control. If you need to review the setting again in the future, return to the Settings area, open Product Settings, select Payments, and revisit the Payment Methods section. From there, you can check the status of Afterpay or Clearpay and make changes if necessary. The process consists of opening Settings, navigating to Product Settings, selecting Payments, locating the Payment Methods section, finding Afterpay or Clearpay, and turning on the toggle switch. Once the toggle remains enabled, the payment method has been activated in your Stripe account. And that's how to enable Afterpay payments in Stripe. Thank you for watching.